Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see more mature content on Instagram. Basically setting your profile to 18 plus. Here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app, click on your profile. At the top, click on the three lines. You have to scroll down and look for where it says content preference. Click on it. You're going to see at the top it says sensitive content. Click on it. By the way, this also affects your search results. It says sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines, but refer to topics some people may not want to see. At the bottom, it says this affects search results as well as recommended content in Explorer, Reels, feed, and hashtag pages. This also affects comments you see on other people's posts. By default, it is set to standard. So if you want to see more of it, just click on more. It's going to show you more information over here. You might see more content about topics some people don't want to see, such as sexually suggested content or some violence. This affects content from accounts you don't follow in Explorer, Reels, feed, search, and hashtag pages. This also affects comments you see on other people's posts. You will still see everything from friends and families and other accounts you follow. We will still work to keep Instagram safe by removing content that goes against our community guidelines. So click on confirm. From now on, you're going to see more mature content on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.